Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Tuesday the 5th of March. I've done nothing since last week, but I've come out here today, sort the chickens out, and I've now lowered this back bed and sieved all that I've got out of it into this bed, and the soil looks lovely, but it's bound to, because I added compost and everything the other year and some last year and then gave up on it, and this is what used to be my chicken run a few years ago. So it's quite good soil down there. So it's nearly full, this bed. I'm going to dig out some more next time I come out here and put it in the bed, and then I'm going to put weed control fabric all the way down and just grow in pots on the back and not have a border at the back. And then it's fix that door, and then I'll see what I can do. But I want to get this polytunnel up, going, ready in 2 weeks. I'd like it to be a week, but it has hurt doing this bit. I'd like it to be a week to get all this sorted out and ready. Then I'll sow some more seeds, and then my next thing will be tackling in there, because I want tomatoes both in this polytunnel and in my grow house. Yes, and I'd like both of them done by the end of March. Yeah, I'll go and see what Mason's on about. Bye!
It's a perfect situation.